Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cloudinary resize and cropping functionality in Vue.js to deliver media in just the right size and centered on the important part. We'll go through enabling resizing, configuring cropping manually with the usage of focus, and how to allow Cloudinary to automatically determine what to keep in the transformed image. For the demo, I have created this simple Vue-free Vite and Tailwind CSS application that has a header and displays 3 project cards with images. The project card.vue component is responsible for displaying the specific project card that contains a title, description, image URL, and some tags. As you can see, we have already imported the advanced image component from Cloudinary Vue package and used it in a template. But we do not use any cropping or resizing functionality yet. There are several ways to resize and crop images, each offering control over which part of the image is preserved. In our example, let's resize the images and focus on the faces. To do that, we will use the fill cropping method to generate a 300 by 300 image that fully fills the specified dimensions while maintaining the original aspect ratio. We will also apply face detection, gravity, to ensure faces remain visible and centered. Let's take a look at the browser to see how these resized and cropped images look like now. Indeed, the images are resized and focus on certain aspect, in this case, faces. The focus on variable gives us access to several image elements that you may want to focus on, such as car, bottle, or bird. We can also use automatic gravity to determine what to keep in the cropped area automatically. To do that, we will use a qualifier called autogravity. Let's take a look at the browser to see how it works. In this example, we don't see much difference from the focus on faces approach, as Cloudinary automatically decided that the faces are the most important part of the cropped image. Let's review. You have learned how to use Cloudinary resizing and cropping functionality in Vue to adjust image dimensions, focus on certain aspects of the image manually, or allow Cloudinary to automatically determine what to keep in the cropped image. Check out official Cloudinary documentation about image transformations in Vue and general documentation about resizing and cropping for more examples.